Before we start, I just want to quick introduce myself. My name is Jazz, and I am also a beginner in this field of website design, UX, UI learning, Figma designing, and digital content creation. I am still learning, still exploring, and still practicing every day. So everything that I'm sharing here is based on my own experience, trial and error, and free tools that I personally use while learning. I am not professional expert yet, and I'm not affiliated with any company or platform that I mentioned in this video. I simply want to share the things that help me as a beginner, because maybe it can also help you if you are just starting. So if you are learning like me, then let's explore Figma together and let's start designing. Did you know, just like shape, you can also customize your image using Figma? So what I'm going to show it to you, I want my image to be more noticeable and give a little action, just an extra action to the page. You can adjust the corners, change the look, and even give it more creative cut depending on the effect you want. So all you need to do is click on the image, then go to the right side under the design panel. There under appearance, you'll see options like opacity and corner ridges. So I'm going to play around the corner ridges and see how it changes. This is just really trial and error. If I don't like the outcome, I can undo anytime and try again. So I'm just experimenting here, watching how the sides and corners change until I get an effect that makes the image look more interesting on the page. Sometimes even a small corner adjustment can make a big difference in the overall design.
Thank you so much for watching. If you want more informative and beginner-friendly videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps me create more content about Figma, design, and content creation or AI. Comment below what you want to learn next, and I'll see you in the next video.